Hello viewers, you're welcome to this lecture series on general biology, and in today's lecture we're going to look at the kingdom PROTOCTISTA or PROTISTA, or organisms that are collectively called the protists. Now, what are protists? Protists are simple unicellular eukaryotic organisms that are neither plants nor animals or fungi. Organisms that are neither eukaryotic organisms that are neither plants nor animals or fungi. Protists are usually unicellular, and they basically have animal-like, fungi-like, or plant-like characteristics. The term PROTOCTISTA is derived from the Greek word protostos, which means the very first. So they are likened to be the very first animals, or the ones that have plant-like characteristics, the very first plants, or the ones that have the fungi-like characteristics, the very first fungi. So they are said to be the very first of the plants, the fungi, and the animals. Let us look at the classification of organisms in the kingdom PROTOCTISTA. Protists are classified into three sub-kingdoms rather, based on the characteristics they have. Okay, they are classified into the sub-kingdom Protozoa, which is made up of animal-like protists, the sub-kingdom Protophyta, which is made up of the plant-like protists, and the molds, which are fungi-like protists. Now let us look at the protozoans. What are protozoans? Protozoans are animal-like protists, okay? And these are unicellular animal-like eukaryotic organisms that carry out heterotrophic nutrition. And the organisms are further classified based on characteristics such as motility. They are the organelles they use for locomotory organelles. So those ones that make use of flagella for locomotion are said to be flagellate protozoans. Those that make use of cilia for locomotion are ciliate protozoans. Those that make use of pseudopodia for locomotion are said to be the sarcodina or sarcomast, the amoeboid protozoans. Then we also have the sporozoans that do not have locomotory organelles and are spore forming. These ones are the four major groups, and each of these four major groups that are classified based on locomotory organelles are further classified into various phyla. For instance, among the flagellate protozoans, we have the phylum Euglenozoa, the phylum Parabissalia, the phylum Diplomonada. Then among the amoeboid protozoans, you have the phylum Sarcodina or Sarcomastigophora, the phylum Actinopoda or Radiozoa, the phylum Foraminifera, and others. So basically, that's how the protozoans are being classified. Then the subkingdom Protophyta, which are the plant-like protists. These plant-like protist organisms are composed mostly of unicellular algae. Okay, and they consist of the dinoflagellates, the diatoms, the euglena-like flagellate. These are basically photosynthetic. Okay, protophytes also include the chrysophytes. Okay, the diatoms. Okay, they include the chrysophytes. The third subkingdom consists of the molds, which are fungi-like organisms, fungi-like protists. The molds generally refer to fungi, but slime molds and water molds are fungus-like saprophytic protists, although some are pathogens. Okay, so these fungi-like organisms are classified into the subkingdom of the molds. Two separate types of slime molds exist, which are the cellular slime molds and the acellular slime molds. However, the features that define these groups often overlap. For example, some animal-like protists have plant-like chloroplast. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I am Dr. Gijo Harry. Please keep watching more of my videos on my YouTube and TikTok channels.